What's the really meaning behind CRB check? In Kenya, a CRB check means a lender is verifying your financial reputation through the Credit Reference Bureau, CRB. The CRB keeps a record of how people handle loans, whether they pay on time or default. If you've ever delayed or failed to repay a loan, your name might be blacklisted on the CRB. Now, before most banks or loan apps lend money, they check this record to decide whether they can trust you with credit. What without CRB check really means: when a loan app says it offers loans without CRB check, it means the app does not rely on your CRB report to decide if you qualify. Instead of checking whether you've been listed as a defaulter, they use other ways to evaluate your trustworthiness. This makes such apps popular among people who have been blacklisted or have no credit history at all, because they can still access credit when traditional lenders reject them. How these apps assess you instead: even though these apps skip the CRB report, they don't give loans blindly. They rely on alternative data, mainly from your phone. They check your M-Pesa transaction messages, airtime top-ups, app usage patterns, and even how consistently you pay bills or repay past loans. In short, they build their own trust score based on your phone behavior. The more active and responsible you appear financially, the higher your chances of approval. Why people prefer apps without CRB check? Many Kenyans prefer these apps because they offer fast and judgment-free access to money. Getting blacklisted on CRB can take years to clear, and that limits access to loans from banks or mobile lenders. So, when an app allows borrowing without that barrier, it becomes a financial lifeline, especially for small business owners, students, and casual workers who need urgent cash. These apps have made credit more inclusive by focusing on current behavior, not past mistakes. The reality check, however, without CRB check, doesn't mean no rules. These apps still track your repayment behavior internally. If you delay or default, you might not get another loan, and in some cases, the app could still report you to CRB later. Therefore, borrowers should treat these loans seriously, repay on time, and use them wisely. Think of it as a second chance to rebuild your financial credibility without being judged by your past. Are these points enough, or I should add some more? Want your thoughts in the comments section. Found this helpful? Like, share, but don't forget to subscribe to this channel for immediate updates.